Yes, get ready and start. According to the prosecution case, the said bangles bearing the identification mark RK22KL were gifted to the newly wed couple on their marriage by PW33. Stop. The prosecution has alleged that A2 Anjali Thakran sold these bangles along with a necklace and a ring to the jewelry shop run by PW12. Stop. It has also been alleged by the prosecution that A2 Anjali Thakran sold these jewelry on the pretext that as their restaurant was not running well, they were in urgent need of money. Stop. The learned sessions Judge Panaji as well as the High Court on evaluation of the circumstantial evidence came to the conclusion that the prosecution has failed to prove involvement of accused respondents in commission of the crime and acquitted them of all charges. Para. Admittedly, the case of the prosecution is based on circumstantial evidence as there is no evidence on record that any of the witnesses examined by the prosecution have seen actual commission of the crime. Stop. Mr. Mahendra Anand, the learned senior counsel for the appellant, is to prove the case against A1 Sanjay Thakran has placed reliance on the following circumstances. Column. The recovery of ladies' purse and salwar suit by police at Agra on 30th January 2000 and the recovery of jewelry and clothes made from the flat of the accused persons in Goa on 11th February 2000 and the evidence of seen together with the deceased couple before the actual incident by PW 30 Suhasini Govekar and evidence of PW 11 Dinesh Adhikari, PW 14 Calvert Gonsalves and PW 6 Amit Banerjee to the effect that A1 was accompanied with the deceased couple on 27th February 1999 and that the deceased couple was last seen alive in his company. Stop. As far as the evidence against the Respondent A2 Anjali Thakaran is concerned, the learned senior counsel for the appellant S has relied upon the aspect of recovery of lady's purse and salwar suit the recovery of two bangles bearing the identification mark RK22KL at her instance from the jewelry shop of PW 12 Ulhas Lotlikar and the evidence of PW 11 Dinesh Adhikari, PW 14 Calvert Gonsalves and PW 6 Amit Banerjee that Anjali was last seen in the company of her husband with the deceased couple before the commission of the crime stop. The learned senior counsel for appellant S has further submitted that no explanation is forthcoming from the accused respondents in the statement recorded under Section 313 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Full stop.